Greetings traders! Today we are going to trade oil, specifically Brent oil. Although there is nothing much of a difference for options traders whether you trade West Texas Intermediate or Brent oil, the thing is the same. We are trying to trade oil and trying to make best of oil price swings, because we all know whole world is rather messy now and it affects tremendously oil prices. So what's our job as a traders? Our job as a traders is to exploit these price patterns and to make maximum gain on these swings. So how we are going to do that? We will trade short-term trades or swings, if you want to call it that, and we will use simple approach. Once prices are falling below major indication that it will fall, like moving average, we will go short. But once prices reverse and will close above moving average by indicating that long-term up move will started to develop, we will go long. So pretty simple approach, but here the key is execution and swiftness of the trade. So for that we are going to risk 1,000 for each trade and our duration will be only 5 seconds. This way we will capture rather well all those small but sharp price moves. So with that said, let's continue and start to trade. Our first trade will be short trade because we are below the trend line and prices are falling. Okay, we made almost $900 of profit. So second trade indicates the same approach because we have same setups and we will go short here as well. Price continued its downward move and we made some good money. Alright, third trade. Now we have identical setups as with previous two trades, so we will continue what works and go short. Third profitable trade in a row with similar approach. Alright, fourth trade. Now let's continue previous pattern because we are making money on downwards move. So here very tight, but we still managed to make fourth profitable trade in a row. So let's continue. Okay, with our fifth trade we will use identical approach. We will go short. Here, unfortunately, we didn't make money, we were break-even because prices were just as they were when we opened our trade. So, in conclusion, we made 5 trades in this trading session and 4 of these trades were not only profitable, but we made 4 identical trades in a row with profit by doing same setups. Why? Because we had strong price movement, and with strong price movement we couldn't help ourselves but to make good money, because now we made something like $3,500 profit in like what, 10 minutes. Well, that's pretty neat, but it's only possible if you have right market to trade, if you have correct entry and exit strategies, and you have best risk-reward ratio per your trades, and you know how to trade options. So duration of options is important, all setups is important, as I'm saying now in this video. And also, of course, you need to have a good broker. So I'm using PocketOptions as my broker, and if you want to use same broker, use my referral code and trade this broker. Then you will have whole game. Trade setups, trade execution, best broker, and possibilities to make money on all major market moves, as we did it today. As you know, oil prices are raising eyebrows and making headaches for thousands and thousands of institutional investors, but we just made money here. So this is what trading is all about. And if you like this, watch my next videos and I will show you many more trading opportunities in other markets as well. So thanks for watching me.